Pet owners, listen up. The Ryobi 18-volt 1 plus HP brushless pet stick vacuum collects dirt, dust and pet hair with ease.
I love that it converts into a handheld device, meaning I can also tackle pet mess in my car and hard to reach areas. With all these attachments included, no corner goes left unclean. I can vacuum my whole house floor to ceiling with up to 60 minutes runtime. If you have pets or kids, you need to check out the 18-volt 1 plus HP brushless pet stick vac along with the rest of the powerful cleaning range.